What is up? My name's Matt. We're gonna go try a little creek action today. When I was growing up, I used to play in this creek, and I remember a really old bridge at the end of the road, or at the end of where we used to play in the water at. So we're gonna go try metal detecting there today, and hopefully we come up with something good. If not, we've got a backup plan. So here we go. So this is the newer of the two roads. There's actually an older road over there, but look how deep this road bed is. So I'm thinking there should be something old in here. But who knows? I've never done this down here before. All right, so we're gonna try this. What you see in front of you is actually a raging river. So we had a rainstorm last night, and I thought for sure that no big deal, just a little bit of rain, and we'll be able to go hunt the creek. So as you can tell, this is gonna be unhuntable. This is an old spillway. Right there, that's an old spillway, but the bridge I want to hunt is actually farther down. Normally I'd be able to walk, no problem, hunt around the bridge. I think that there was some Civil War activity that crossed through this area with this deep roadbed, but we're not going to be able to do that. So we're going to call this episode Rainy Day. Instead, what do you say we go diving? I think we can make that happen reasonably. Sometimes the best made plans don't always work out. Let's step back and punt. Hey, what's up, Matt? Jamie? Ross is sliding into his skinny suit, and Bobby. Yeah, I was going to space it, but I didn't. We're going to go diving for a little while and see what we can find. Ross hasn't been in the water this year, so no time like the present. So let's get after it. Well, job number 2 is done. 42 minutes on that one, not super long, but Ross got a incredible one, man. I'm excited for him. So we're gonna get up to the boat and see what we got.
There's only 2,400 lumen.
So there we go. This is that second dive. It was a nice little dive. Ross got his first diving teeth. Piece of some sort of figural flask. Who knows how old that is. But he's got 5 teeth. I ended up with all of this. And man, this is going to be a really nice one. Really nice color to it. Little root or tip damage from eating, but overall that's probably my nicest tooth this year, so I'm really excited about that. Inkwell, oh, that's right out of that first dive. This is Ross's inkwell that is going to clean up gorgeous. Probably 1730s. It's redware. It's got a really funky glaze where they like dipped half of it and said to heck with the rest. So that's great. Overall, good day. So when I was young, we would swim in here, jump off the bridge, hang out in this area, fish. We actually could catch a few fish. There were a fair amount of snakes, but they really didn't bother us. And all the way up here was actually really shallow, only about a couple feet deep, but not the case right now. So normally, you can see this thing is all the way full. Normally there's a little bridge that crosses over there. There's about 3 to 4 foot of bank, and this water's generally only a couple feet deep. But not the case today. So it's pretty though.